I'm Christina.
And I'm Breda.
And welcome to Vivetto Growers. And this is our first episode of our color series that we will be doing. And today we're obviously talking about the color red. So behind me, we have the Mandevilla vine. It is a beautiful, fast-growing tropical vine that has gorgeous, big flowers. They come in red, pink, and white. So this is one that you're going to want to protect in the wintertime because it can freeze. Again, it is tropical, but it is a beautiful color around your pool or any other highlight spots that you really want to have around your yard that grows fast. Next, we have the Salvia Roman Red. This is an awesome perennial, so it comes back every year, and this is going to have about a 3 by 3 foot growth span. And again, awesome attractor for butterflies and mostly hummingbirds. They love the little bell-shaped flowers. Over here, we have the double red hibiscus. So the double means the petals are going to have multiple layers within the flower. Also a tropical plant, so you're going to want to protect it in the wintertime, but you can plant it in your landscape as long as you give it protection or have it in an awesome pot where it can really show off, and it'll be blooming all season long.
And then this one here I have is called the firecracker fern. This one is a beautiful semi-evergreen. So in those colder winters, it's going to want a little bit of protection, but the hummingbirds love it just as much as that salvia. And then this last one we have here is probably our most popular plant here. It's called the double knockout rose. It's a great rose hedge, so it gets like 5 by 5, and I mean, look at these blooms. It is going to be solid red color, and how can you not like it? Well, thanks for watching, and let us know which one was your favorite. Leave a comment down below, and make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week.
Thank you.